Hi, it's Pat Pattison with the Best of Los Angeles Award here at the wonderful Santauri's in Toluca Lake for a special Hollywood industry luncheon. Here are some of our insiders with some of their special insights. Hi, it's Pat Pattison with the Best of Los Angeles Award. I'm here at a wonderful Hollywood luncheon at Santauri's Restaurant in Burbank, and I'm here with Vance, who's doing a fascinating new show. Tell me about your show.
Yeah, the name of the show is Jockeys.
Okay.
And it's about pilots and the planes they fly.
Wow.
It's a people show. It's not about gear, but coincidentally with pilots we do get to fly some pretty cool
So
gear
human stories.
Absolutely. Yeah.
History.
Astronauts,
Okay.
first responders, fighter pilots, heroes, the whole bit. Women aviators. And it's going to be stories about some significant events that they've accomplished.
Wow, and you're hosting.
Yes, and I'm
great.
hosting.
So anything that flies.
Anything that flies.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Helicopters, balloons,
Wow.
spaceships, fighter planes, everything.
Wow. Hi, it's Pat Pattison with another guest from our Hollywood luncheon here at Santauri. Don Morrison is a producer at KNX Newsradio. You have a busy week with what you've been covering. What's the exciting news, Don?
Well, the big news was the temporary end of the government shutdown, the partial federal government shutdown.
The temporary shutdown, the temporary end, and
The temporary end to the temporary shutdown is a really accurate way to put it.
So tell me about your job. I mean, what do you do in a day?
Well, basically, my main job is to assist the editor in organizing the rundown for 3 hours during the midday, and I also generate content for KNX. So my main job is to search for stories, find what's interesting, and make phone calls, set up interviews, and conduct the interviews, write up the stories, or also coordinate with reporters and give them the content if that's what's required.
The places you've gone and the people you've seen, incredible.
I've interviewed a lot of people.
Yeah. And it's LA centric mostly, or
it is
all over the
we're
state?
we're very focused on LA.
That's
we're,
so great.
We're
So are we.
first.
Best of LA.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's local first,
Right.
then it's the state, and then
We need more of that.
and then the nation.
I think we get we get distracted with stuff that's way out there, important to know.
Right.
Sometimes we lose track of our own hometown.
We do, and that's what KNX really focuses on,
great.
is what's happening here,
Yeah.
what is important to people who live in the LA area.
Right. Well, Don, thanks for being with us. More to follow. Pat Pattison at Santauri's for our Hollywood luncheon here with Jerry Edling, editor at KNX Newsradio. What's the hot news, Jerry?
Well, anything dealing, of course, with the president and the wall, and I'm heading to work later today. I'll probably be talking about that, and
Wow, you got to work on Saturdays.
Oh, yeah.
LA never sleeps.
LA never sleeps.
Garcetti, anything new with Garcetti?
Nothing that I
He might run for president?
He
That's
might
the
run
rumor?
for president.
Wow.
In fact, he's building the foundation. This is a story we've been cobbling together for the last several months. But I think
What's likely?
There's a strong chance, and at the very least, he may be positioning himself for a vice presidential slot.
Oh, makes sense.
If it doesn't go all the way.
Kamala Garcetti.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
That's great.
So
You heard it here first.
You never know.
With the insider, the KNX insider. Yeah.
But the field is wide open, and politics,
So it's Pat Pattison here at Santauri's in Burbank, our Hollywood luncheon special guest, David Firestone, Firestone Talent and Film Management. So you're a packager. You're a one-stop shop.
Pretty much. Well, there's two parts of the business. One is the talent side of the business, Firestone Talent. Then we have the film side. We produce some films.
Okay.
So our big growth engine is the talent business, because we're focusing a lot of energy on growing that business.
Wow.
We did a big strides over the last couple of years.
Actors,
Awesome
directors,
screenwriters. Yes,
Okay.
the whole gamut, and also musician.
Wow.
We have a featured musician, Bone Davis, who's been around for a number of years here in Hollywood. He's a very successful keyboardist.
Wow.
With this.
And so when somebody comes to you, you're looking at a kind of their holistic career.
Kind of a whole package, right?
Okay.
Help them promote their career through social media, through promotional activities, going out and about talking to people.
Social media even now.
And social media is huge. It just is a result of
Well,
how
that's
the
what
world
we
is-
are. We're social
that's
media.
right. How
So-
the world has changed.
Yeah.
You know, Instagram is a big one too.
Used to
now.
be a rating, now it's how many likes.
Right, exactly. I
Yeah.
actually was really just added on a really exciting social media, Ashley Taylor Vital Spot.
Okay.
She's got 184,000 followers on Instagram, which is huge, and she advertises products. And besides, we've added a whole new diverse talent base for the commercial side of our business. We're very excited where we're at right now.
Wow.
Besides doing some short films, we've introduced Katie Phoenix, who's an up-and-coming Latino director, actually from Boyle Heights. She's done some really exciting
So
projects.
local.
Yes, she's local.
That's what we love. That's the Los
Exactly,
Angeles.
local talent. You got
Wow.
it.
David, thanks for your time.
Good thing.
More to follow. Talk to you
Great.
soon.
Bye-bye.
Hi, it's Pat Pattison, still here at Santauri's with our Hollywood luncheon, and I'm excited to talk to Nicky Lee, head of marketing for the Laugh Factory. Everybody loves the Laugh Factory. So, Nicky, what's exciting happening at the Laugh Factory?
We just did a live TV taping this week, actually in Long Beach. We introduced 4 comedians that will hopefully be launching their careers into TV a little bit. And then we've got some really great lineups as well coming up. So, but
Wow.
it's pretty consistent.
So, a lot of famous people have come out of the Laugh Factory. What is the current trend in terms of your performers there? I mean, is there a type that's coming up that you notice? Or?
Well, we've been seeing a lot of like Chris D'Elia, Tiffany Haddish, of course, got her start with us.
Yeah.
And then we're starting to bring back more older school comedians
Oh, wow.
that have been focused on other comedy
Name
clubs.
some names. I would actually know
George
these people.
Lopez,
Sure.
Bill Burr.
Oh, neat.
And then we have Jeremy Piven, who crossed into the stand-up world and
Okay.
is killing it. So,
Oh, right. Wow.
yeah.
And we love the fact that the Laugh Factory is an historic LA venue. We're the Best of Los Angeles award.